Some people, they just want to flip money right away. Guys, the markets are not here to free out people financially. If you understand money, you will quickly realize that they don't need rich people. Why the heck they will create a tool for you to make free money just like that? The only people that make it in trading are people that... Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is David. The purpose of this video today is for you to learn how to trade. With that in mind, we're gonna set up the roadmap for you to follow so you can start today. All right, so let's dive in. First things first, let's understand what trading is. So basically is buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, commodities, crypto. The goal to make money out of price movements. Simple, right? But there is a lot more to it. So the first step for you to become a real badass trader is to learn the language. You need to familiarize yourself with the basic terminology. Stocks, shares of ownership in a company. It's like owning a piece of a pie. Bonds, loans made to a company or government with a promise of repayment with interest. Basically, you are the lender, not the borrower. Forex, this is the foreign exchange market where currencies are traded. Commodities, physical goods like gold, oil, or agricultural products. Understanding these terms will help you make sense of what you read or hear on the news or articles that you, happen to come across when surfing in the web. But this is just the first step. Second, education and research. I know, sounds a little bit boring, but do you think that it's just like flipping money? You actually have to learn the craft. This is a profession, guys. This is nothing like gambling. You have to put into the work. And I know it sounds like cliche and everybody says that, but hey, if everybody says that, they may be right. So yes, you have to put in the work. And what is putting in the work? Study, research. Start with books. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. If this sounds boring, yeah, they sound boring. But yeah, imagine them as financial thrillers, okay? Then online courses. The real world, guys, is the top of the top. I cannot stress this enough. This is the place where you're really going to learn how to trade. We are at the edge of the bull run.
It is game over for the Matrix.
When it comes to researching free sources, I recommend Investopedia to get familiar with vocabulary and TradingView for charting. TradingView offers one of the best tools for drawing in the charts and looking at price. Step 3. Now decide which market you want to participate in. So for example, the stock market is great for those interested in companies and industries. Forex is for those who want to trade currencies and enjoy a 24-hour market. It's like choosing coffee or energy drinks. Both will keep you up, just in different ways. 4, and I think is one of the most important steps that you must follow, which is creating a plan. So set up your goals, understand risk management, and create a strategy. For goals, it's very simple. What do you want to achieve? Short-term income or long-term wealth building? You can do both, actually. As for risk management, decide how much you can lose in a single trade, because if you want to make tons of money, which you will if you learn the craft properly, you cannot just put all your investments in there hoping that it will flip into your favor and then make tons of money. And that's possible, but because that possibility exists, it just makes it a trap. And that's where everybody falls, because if you are desperate and you have no control of your emotions or of yourself, you most likely will end up constantly risking money and being at the edge all the time. Because listen, man, I've been there, and let me tell you a really quick story. I was losing a couple of days consecutively, and was one of those days that I decided, okay, fuck it, I'm gonna risk more so I can make up for the days that I lose, and I'll be even far ahead in profit. And guess what? It worked out. But because it worked out, it created this habit in my mind, or this possibility, that if I was to be presented with the same scenario, most likely I will do the same, because if it happened once, it can happen twice. I blew up an account just like that because I created that bad habit. I truly believe that this is one of the fundamentals, and if you don't master the fundamentals, guys, it's better off you doing a 9 to 5. But if you are here watching this video, I like to believe that you want to learn the craft. So hear me out. Risk management, very important. Know your edge. What is the key benefit of having all of this in place? Having a solid plan, it just keeps your emotions in check. Having a plan is dumb proof. And that leads me to the 5th step in the roadmap to become a profitable trader, which is practice. How do you want to know what works? Believe me, you don't want to be looking at those videos that says 99% success strategy. That's not gonna work. You have to come up with your own bias. You have to create your own system. So before risking any real money, there are tons of opportunities to trade with fake money. So brokers, some of them offer this functionality in which you can trade with demo accounts. Try out all your strategies, backtest for a while, and while you collect the money to invest, then you already crafted that strategy. When you feel pretty comfortable with this, now is the time to jump into a real account, which is the 6th step, opening a real account. Type in Google, check a couple of reviews, and just look for that best fit for you. For the 7th step, it's time to trade with real money. Get your feet wet. You need to start with small trades and start to gather that experience. If you already did the demo account, well, I guess you're fine, but some people just want to flip money right away. The markets are not here to free up people financially. If you understand money, you will quickly realize that they don't need rich people. Why the heck they will create a tool for you to make free money just like that? So have in mind that for you to earn money, someone else has to lose it. The only people that make it in trading are people that have a plan. And it sounds stupid, but it is what it is. How much is it that you need to start with? I wouldn't say below 2,000. Think of it in this way. If you invest in the market, will you have money for the next month? Will you have money to put food on the table? Will you have money to just cover the most basic responsibilities at home or with family? You have to be aware that the money that you put in the market, it's money that you can say ciao, goodbye, and never see it again. So that could happen. Anyways, and the only thing that is left to do, well, guys, just put into the work. Raw discipline pays off. If you found this video helpful, remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.